Well, I think the easiest thing is if you are waking up in the morning and you feel like you didn't get a good night's rest. If you wake up in the morning and you do not feel rested, something's going on that's not right. And so that's the first sign. If you have excessive daytime drowsiness, that's another sign. If you have no energy during the day, if you're feeling like you need to take a nap right after lunch or in the afternoon, if you got to have if you're making 3 Starbucks runs during the day, something's not right.